Most folks are as happy as they make up their minds to be. The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. Character is like a tree and reputation like a shadow. The shadow is what we think of it, the tree is the real thing. All that I am, or hope to be, I owe to my angel mother. Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak out and remove all doubt. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. The philosophy of the schoolroom in one generation will be the philosophy of government in the next. I do the very best I know how, the very best I can, and I mean to keep on doing so until the end. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. Don't worry when you are not recognized, but strive to be worthy of recognition. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Whatever you are, be a good one. Am I not destroying my enemies when I make friends of them? I'm a slow walker, but I never walk back. Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. I remember my mother's prayers and they have always followed me. They have clung to me all my life. A house divided against itself cannot stand. I never had a policy, I have just tried to do my very best each and every day. That some achieve great success, is proof to all that others can achieve it as well. Everybody likes a compliment. The things I want to know are in books. My best friend is the man who'll get me a book I ain't read. Important principles may, and must, be inflexible. If there is anything that a man can do well, I say let him do it. Give him a chance. You have to do your own growing no matter how tall your grandfather was. He has a right to criticize, who has a heart to help.